coordinate covalent compounds. Their properties are mostly similar to those of covalent compounds, as the nuclei in these compounds are held by shared pair of electrons. Therefore, they cannot form ions in water. Due to their covalent nature, they form solutions in organic solvents and are very less soluble in water. Usually, they are rigid compounds with a dipole. Metal. Metals have commonly properties of conducting heat and electricity. It gives them prime role in many industries. Major properties shown by metals are as follows. Number 1, they show metallic luster. Number 2, they are usually malleable and despite mutability in the properties of which a metal can be rolled into sheets, while ductility in the property by the virtue of which a metal can be drawn into wires. They have usually high melting and boiling points. Number 4, being greater in size, they can have low ionization energies and form cations very easily. They are good conductors of heat and electricity in solid and liquid state due to mobile electrons, but not in gas. Only in solid and liquid state due to mobile electrons. Here is the key points. Atoms of different elements react to attain noble gas configuration, which is stable 1. Chemical bonds may be formed by complete transfer of electrons into ionic mutual sharing into covalent, or by donation from one atom into coordinate or dative covalent. Metals have the tendency to lose electrons easily, forming cations. Non-metals have tendency to gain electrons and forms anions. In ionic bond, strong electrostatic force held ions together. Ionic compounds are solids with high melting and boiling points. Covalent bonds among nonmetals are weaker than one bonds. Ionic bonds are non-directional, but covalent bonds are formed in a particular direction. Covalent bonds formed by similar atoms are non-polar, while between different atoms are polar. In covalent bonding, single, double, or triple covalent bond is formed by sharing of 1, 2, 3 pairs by bonding atoms. Coordinate covalent bond is formed between electron pair donors and electron pairs acceptors. Metallic bond is formed between metal atoms due to free electrons. In addition to chemical bonds, intermolecular forces of attraction exist between polar molecules. Hydrogen bonding exists between the hydrogen atoms of one molecule and highly electronegative atoms of the other molecule. Hydrogen bonds affect the physical properties of the compounds. Properties of the compounds depend upon the nature bonding present in the compound. Ionic compounds are crystalline solid with high melting and boiling points. Covalent compounds exist in the molecules form in three physical states: polar and nonpolar. Covalent compounds have different properties. Metals have shining surface. They are good conductors of electricity and are malleable and ductile and are malleable and Celestial line.